Hey, hello everyone. My name is Vikas Arora from Delhi, and I shifted to Bangalore a year back. After moving to Bangalore, I had a very busy routine because of my hectic work. Suddenly, after few months, I started noticing that my thirst increased a lot, and I started losing weight. I was 97 kg, and in a month's time, I became 89, and in then another 15 days, I was 86. My wife suspected my weight loss, and then I went under a full body checkup. The reports were alarming for us. My fasting blood sugar and HB1AC was very high that no one can imagine. After getting this report, we planned to go to an endocrinologist, but then suddenly the next morning I lost my father and had to go to my hometown. After things settled down in at my hometown, my mother took me to the Ayurved doctor who gave me medicine and told me that within 25 days of time, my sugar level will be normal. So I started taking the medicine positively, and after 25 days when I went under the test again, there was no improvement in the sugar level. My FPS and HB1AC are still not in control. So the same day I started noticing some skin infection in my body, and we were really worried. The same day me and my wife started researching for Ayurvedic treatment which could help. We didn't want to go to an allopathic doctor because once the medicine for diabetes is start, it will lifetime with other side effects as well. So after doing a lot of research, we found that Ayurved hospital Domlur, which had mentioned in the website that it reverses diabetes. So on the same concept, we did research other Ayurvedic hospital as well, but since the reviews for Ayurved hospital Domlur among the other Ayurvedic hospital were best, so we decided to give a visit to Ayurved hospital. And after visiting this hospital, I met Dr. Zakana Bhuj, who is the head doctor here. Before meeting Dr. Zakna, I was properly diagnosed by Dr. Rahul, who took each and every detail of my health condition. Dr. Zakna listened to my problem and gave me her full time so that I can discuss my problem in detail. She told me that I need to go to under a 21 days treatment in which she will reverse my diabetes. So honestly speaking, I was not really sure about the treatment as I haven't heard about it before. But then we thought to give it a try, and then started with the treatment. First days I used to visit to the clinic for treatment, and for the rest 14 days I got admitted in the hospital because the procedure required proper supervision of the doctor. Everyone in the hospital took such a good care that I have no words for it. After getting admitted, my sugar level was tested every day. Slowly and steadily, my sugar level started decreasing with the treatment on a daily basis. And today, when I'm leaving from the hospital, my sugar level is under control. That I was not confident about it, but today everything is fine, and my skin infection is totally recovered, which was happened because of the diabetes. So I'm looking forward to lead a healthy life now without medicine in future. After getting treatment here, I suggest everyone to at least to try Ayurveda once in their life because it really changes your life. If anyone is suffering through high diabetes, please don't start allopathic medicine as it will only worsen the case. In Ayurveda, the treatment focusing on removing this diabetes from its root, which will help any person to lead a normal life. Also, Ayurveda is really the best hospital. I definitely have not visited any other Ayurvedic hospital, but when I feel what more better can be provided than what is done in the hospital. So at last I will stop this video to thank to my doctor, and thank you so much to the complete team of Ayurveda who changed my life completely. Thank you.